Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Ken Kui.
My name is Darren Lim.
Today we will be doing an introduction on Fail2ban. So firstly you may ask what is Fail2ban. So Fail2ban is actually an intrusion prevention software, IPS in short, framework that prevents computer being attacked by brute force attacks. By monitoring error log files, it can it can be set up to protect protocols for HTTP, HTTPS, SSH, and etc. Fail2ban can also be set up to put IP address in jails and will not be able to access the server or computers for a specific amount of time or until it has been unbanned. Now we'll move on to the demonstration part. This will be the demonstration part. Firstly, there has to be a prerequisite that has to be met in order for the Fail2ban to work. The first prerequisite is a working Linux server and client to test the connection and Fail2ban policies. Secondly, Fail2ban is then installed on Linux server for testing and configuration. I will show you how to install Fail2ban on your personal Linux VMware server. You have to type dnf install Fail2ban and wait for a few seconds. If you have not installed, you have to press yes. But since we have already installed it before, hence we'll be pressing no. After Fail2ban has been installed, you can start the service by typing systemctl start Fail2ban. You can also enable the service during startup by typing in systemctl enable Fail2ban. Lastly, you can check for verification that Fail2ban is active running by typing in systemctl status Fail2ban. As you can see, it's active running.
You are able to check the existing enabled jails by typing in fail2ban -client status. This will show you the number of jails as well as the name. As you can see, I only have one jail enabled at the moment. After that, we have to create a copy for both the fail2ban conf and jail conf to fail2ban.local and jail.local respectively. This is to ensure that the configurations will not be overwritten or erased when fail2ban is updated. I will show you how to do it now. This is how you copy the fail2ban.configuration file to the fail2ban.local file. And this is how you copy the jail.configuration file to the jail.local file. After you are done with that, you can edit the jail.local file and configure the following jail. We will be configuring the Apache/authentication jail. We will set it to enable equals true and the port to HTTP and HTTPS. And this will be the log path that it monitors the log from. And this is the ban time and as well as the maximum retries that a user can have before getting banned. After that, you can use Ctrl X and press Y to save the jail.local file. After we are done, we can restart the Fail2ban service by putting in this command for it to take effect. Now, I'll be moving on to the demonstration segment. As you can see, the Apache/Authenticate jail is now added into the jail list, and the total number of jails have increased to a number of 2. Thank you. Kengkui will now demonstrate the demonstration.
So first of all, you have to check for this. You have to use this command. This is to check the ban IP or IPs as well as the total ban and the total failed attempts to brute force into the server web page. So moving on to the client, there will be 5 attempts because we have set the maximum retries of brute force attack to 5. So this is the first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, this is the fourth attempt, and the fifth attempt. Afterwards, it will show unable to connect because all of the attempts are the wrong password and the wrong username. So going back to the server, by using this command again, this will show how many times it has been attempted. The total fail is 10 because we have already done it one time before, and the total ban will be 2 because one is currently banned and the previous one has been banned. The ban IP list shows the IP address that has been banned. Thank you. I will now pass my time over to Darren, who will be demonstrating on how to unban the banned IP addresses and also going over to the client side to access the web page once again using the correct credentials.
Thank you, Kengui. Now I'll be showing you how to unban the IP address. So we can use this command to unban the IP. The command will be fail2ban-client set apache/authenticate unban and then the client IP address. After that, we can type in fail2ban-client status apache/authenticate, and you can see that the client IP has been removed from the ban IP list. By doing that, we can access the server web page once again. And as you can see, with the correct credentials, we are able to access the server web page. Thank you.